What's up, guys? This is Phillyswords RC. There I got my Arrma Typhons out. You got the V1 Typhon. Had this for a long time. Got the TLR. I just got this. Had about 2 weeks, 3 weeks now. I'm gonna do, it's not really a comparison video because you know the TLR is way more tuned than the V1. The V1 had its issues, but I had this car forever. I actually built this up from scratch, basically. I installed everything. I rebuilt the whole car, the diffs, the everything. Rebuilt everything. I added everything. This was like not even a roller. And the TLR showed me the best tune job for the Typhon. And I just want to sort of compare them, but not really a comparison. I want to see what can I do to my old Typhon to get it up to TLR standards. Let's get into it. I installed a Castle motor and ESC in it, 6S capable. I'm not too sure the spec because I could never get to see. I think the motor might be a 16. Well, I'll put it at the bottom of the screen right there. I'll put it right here so you can see what the motor KV is. I added 23 tooth pinion, and I had added my radial link with a gyro so I can keep it straight. I flipped it on this top, but I'm gonna fix that. You know, messed up my rag top right there because I ran it earlier. Started the video somewhere else, but I had to redo it. You know, but this car, for the most part, pretty good. As for the TLR, yeah, I added just a 23 tooth pinion, and then I changed out the receiver with a Futaba radio. But first up is about the radios. I added the Futaba to the V1 and the radio link to the TLR. Tighten up that center disc so it don't balloon as much. Yeah, it's only 4S. All right, let's try some off-road. Whoa. Thing is, I got it sitting so low. Like these rocks is hard on it right now. Whoa. Yeah, this terrain is rough. So far it's handling pretty good. It's just the steering is weak. That's the only problem I see so far. The radio is good, just the servo is weak. Yeah, I got it sitting way too low. If I'm gonna do this kind of driving, Because I don't think I'm gonna let this be a speed buggy or on road. I'm gonna keep it off road. Definitely keep it off road. This thing is going through it. This car is going through it. This is real hard on this though, because it's so low. Hey yo, let's try some jumps. Oh, I just fixed that too. I'm not getting it straight. Getting it at an angle. Whoa, there we go. Well, yeah, the look like the hinge pin holder came out. I don't know why. Look like a screw came out. And my pin, let's see, where's my pin at? My pin should be somewhere around here. Yeah, she done for the day. See, that's why I bought the TLR. This car is so old, and the parts are so old, and I wanted to start fresh. But now let's pull out the whoa. Let me turn down that gyro real quick. That gyro a little too high. Whoa. It is steering. All right, let's try some off-road now. Yeah, this thing got, it's pretty good. On road and off road, it's just, I don't know. For some reason I gotta turn down the dual rate on the servo, because it's a little wiry. See, this one don't sit as low as the V1 Typhon, so it's not that bad. I think it's right there. Oh. Yeah, I gotta tighten up the dual rate in this steering. It's so wiry. Not gonna hit it. I'm gonna try one more. And I'm gonna stop before I break it. Come on now, man. You can do better than that. All right, one more. This is my last try. Yo. All right, let me stop before I break something. Yeah, she have a hard time on gravel. It's just, I don't know. I thought it was pretty good on gravel, but I guess it's having a hard time on gravel. Let's do some jumps. See how that works. Yo, this thing is not a jumper. So far, she holding out. Thing is not jumping. I mean, these ain't jumping cars, so. All right, let me, because I know this thing got to be hot by now. Yeah, both of these cars perform pretty good. TLR, you know, it's great. It's great. These knobby tires don't really hold up too much. These guitars, though, they kind of do its job, but of course, I got the V1, and a lot of things got to be repaired. I need to do this whole thing over instead of trying to be cheap. But as for comparison, you know, the V1 needed a lot of work. They fixed all the problems it did have. TLR is a beast. But I'm gonna turn the TLR into a, that's gonna be my speed car. This is gonna be like my basher. I'm gonna sit it up, you know, freshen everything up on it. But tell me what y'all think. You see, the Typhon, the V1 didn't survive it all. But this thing is perfect, ain't nothing wrong with it. But as always, thanks for watching. Hit that like button, hit that notification bell, and I'm out.